Hey guys, welcome to the final session in module number 6. In this video, I'm going to tell you on-page SEO and off-page SEO. So currently now I am on my dashboard. So guys, we had already installed Yoast SEO plugin. I'm going to explain by using that plugin. So just go to posts and all posts. Then you can find some set of posts here. So I'm going with how cells are wired to survive radiation therapy. I'm gonna hit edit. So after hitting edit, it will be redirected to edit post page. So here you can see. So guys, by using Yoast SEO plugin, we can increase on-page SEO score. On-page is nothing but by name itself, it states that on-page. On-page means we have to rectify the issues on page. Okay. So here you can see at the bottom, page preview, link preview in a search engine results page, mobile result and desktop result. Okay. So here you can see the SEO title and slug. So SEO title, SEO slug and meta description. Let me tell you about these three terms. So I'm going to take a new tab. Let me search for a term bold divs. Okay. So this is the search engine results page. So these are all results. So it is the meta title and below that it will be the meta description. So it is the URL. So what is slug? Let me show you the slug. So I'm going to my blog. So I'm going to select any post. Here you can see after the site domain, best induction cooktop in India. It is the URL slug. Okay. It is nothing but page name. Automatically slug will be generated according to the page name, or else you can manually enter any slug. So here it allows you to add meta description manually and meta title also. And also beside you can find a reader. Here you can find some more results, analysis results. Here you can find problems, improvements and good results. So guys, this is all about increasing on-paging score. So to increase on-page SEO, we have to make sure that there will be no problems in readability. Then on-page SEO score will be perfect for any post. Okay. So here you can see the good results will be passive voice. You are using enough active voice. That's great. And then paragraph length. None of the paragraphs are too length. Then transition words. It means that along, besides, but also, not only. So these are all comes under transition words. So you can even Google to get some transition words. And here you can see improvement. The copy score 53.1 in the test, which is considered fairly difficult to read. So the minimum copy score is 60%. You can even navigate to Yoast so that it will be helpful. So here you can see try to make shorter sentences to improve readability. I'm going to hit on here. So it will be redirected into the customized article. So here you can see some set of box. So here 60 to 70 will be easily understood by 13 to 15-year-old students. Okay. So we have to make sure that do not to use complex keywords and longer sentences. Okay. Then it will be easy to increase this SEO score. So increasing page speed, this and all comes under on-page SEO. And coming to off-page SEO, it is completely offside the page. So what is off-page SEO? Off-page SEO is completely building a backlinks. So what does backlink? So backlink means referring one site to another sites. So guys, in a word, on-page SEO means completely the work will be on page. So it will be helpful to increase the site speed and site visibility, site structure. And coming to off-page SEO, it is completely off-site. So in a word, off-page SEO means link building. It will helpful to increase domain authority. So what is domain authority? So I'm not going to drag this session much because it is not relevant to our course. So I'm going to make another course on digital marketing. So make sure to follow me to get an updates from me. You can follow me on Instagram. So Instagram ID is this. Thank you.